Here are the steps for installing the advanced pre-filter on your ice barrel chiller system. This upgraded filter helps protect your chiller by catching finer debris and keeping water flowing efficiently. Before we begin, switch your chiller into maintenance mode. This prevents the pump from running during the install. Next, shut the bottom valve on your ice barrel. This stops water from flowing out when you remove the existing pre-filter. If you're using the Ice Barrel 500, the pre-filter sits at the bottom of the barrel, so you may need to drain a small amount of water for easier access. To remove the old pre-filter, located at the bottom bulkhead underneath your ice barrel. This is where all water is pulled into the system. To remove it, unscrew the old pre-filter. It comes off with just a few turns. Once removed, set it aside. To install the advanced pre-filter, thread it onto the bottom bulkhead by hand. It only needs to be screwed in a few millimeters, just until it feels snug. Do not over-tighten. You'll be removing it periodically for cleaning. With the new filter installed, reopen the bottom valve to restore water flow back into the system. Once everything is secure, exit maintenance mode. Your chiller will begin drawing water again. It may take a few moments for the system to refill fully. If your chiller enters protection mode, this usually means there isn't quite enough water inside the system yet. Simply restart the chiller. It will continue to pull water through until flow is fully restored. You'll know it's fixed once you see strong return flow at the top bulkhead. In rare cases, debris may have made it into the waterline before you replaced your old filter. If you suspect that, close both the top and bottom bulkhead valves to stop water flow. You may need tools like a wet, dry shop vac and a towel ready for cleanup if you disconnect the bottom hose. Once cleared, repeat the priming process. Then bring the chiller back online. After a few minutes, verify that water is flowing normally, there are no leaks at the bottom bulkhead, and the chiller no longer triggers protection mode. Your system is now ready to run cleaner and more efficiently.